Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing some trains that you didn't know were around. Not like the Kings County area, but some of the trains that I saw were like over here. Some of the trains that I saw were over here. But yeah, first off, we're going to go to Hanford, because I saw an Amtrak that was in Hanford. Amtrak, northbound train. Amtrak, northbound, 221-8. That's one of the trains I saw, and I was going to go over that extra. Because I saw on a video, I saw that there were some trains over here. So, we're going to go here. Yep. 3001, 3000, 3000, and the 3001. I don't want to keep saying the numbers. 3002, 3000. Here's when they belong to a different company. 3818, 3824. And then oldest picture. This one belonged to Kyle. This one belonged to Rail America. I'll go back over here. 3003 right there. 2410. Oh, I can't see the other one. I wish I could get into there. Probably 2407. I remember I saw, yeah. Oh, why are they blinking it out right there? Oh, freak, why am I even? Freak, I can't even see it. 2046. I saw 2164. I saw 2164 on Saturday in Lemoore. But here's 2164. Kind of like the same thing I saw on the tags, like the spray paint. That lady's famous. Okay. St. John Street, so I'll just go right here on Main Street. BNSF, 3850. 6753, 8459, 5112. Oh, now I gotta go all the way up there. 3849, 8154. 5814, Grainhopper. 5755, 4437, 7017. Nothing. Yeah, so then I think I saw SJVR over here getting stuff. So that's why I'm going to BNSF Fresno yard. Because I want to see if I actually saw SJVR. There's some BNSFs though over here. Oh god, that sounds bright. Maybe we should go back over here. BNSFs. Yeah, there's tons of BNSFs in these yards, so you're gonna see tons. I think I saw some SJVRs in this yards. Unless SJVR. I think SJVR does go here. Oh, there. SJVR right there. That's probably 440 or 442. Maybe RCPE right there, or SJVR. Here's some BNSFs though. You're seeing a lot of BNSFs right over here. BNSF. Oh, BNSF. That's like 5 BNSFs. No, that's 4. 4550. 3794. I can't see those ones. That's 3 actually. Never mind. Yeah, BNSF's over there. Thought I saw BNSF's over there somewhere. Maybe I did. Go look on the other side. Yep, free. BNSF. Got some BNSFs over here, I think. Yep, BNSF. Tons of BNSFs. Okay, I'm supposed to show you that SJVR, but. Trying to think. I think that's the end. Unless I saw something else. And that's the end of the video. Alright, guys. See you in the next one.